Hey guys, subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an amazing video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video, we are going to show you how you can create a virtual device for your Android Studio. So now let's explore it. You can see that in my Android Studio there are no devices currently connected, and if I try to create a virtual device using the option available in Android Studio, it says me to install HAXM. And if I try to install that software, it is not getting installed as my hardware doesn't support it. So now we are going to create a virtual device using Geny Motion and VirtualBox. So watch the video carefully to create a virtual device. So you can see that we have created a virtual device for our Android Studio successfully. So friends, if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching our video.